is it haram to live with a non-Muslim girlfriend even if you don't do haram things? Living with a non-Muslim girlfriend itself is haram. So you're asking me the question, is it haram to live with a non-Muslim girlfriend if you don't do haram things? It's like you telling me that is it permissible for me to drink alcohol and then not do haram things? So you ask me the question, can I live with a non-Muslim girlfriend? Living with a non-mahram in Islam is haram. And then you will not do haram things, that's another thing. So it's like you're asking me, can I drink alcohol? And after drinking alcohol, I will not do haram things. So is it allowed for me to drink alcohol if I don't do haram things after drinking alcohol? And the answer is no, it's haram. Because drinking alcohol itself is haram. And after drinking, you may do something else, is secondary. After drinking alcohol, you may do zina, you may gamble, that's secondary. But drinking alcohol itself is gunah kabira. So similarly, staying with a non-Muslim girl, friend, who's a non-mahram, she's not your wife, she's not your sister, she's not your mother, she's a non-mahram to you. So staying with her itself is haram. Whether after that you do haram, whether you do zina with her or not after that, or that is secondary. But staying with a non-mahram girlfriend itself is haram. Whether after that you do haram or not, that is secondary.